Hello everyone, happy Monday. Today we're going to blow up a balloon using baking soda and vinegar. So what you will need for our science experiment is number 1, a grown-up's help, 2, some vinegar, a balloon, a plastic water bottle, a funnel, and something to put your water bottle in case it overflows. So you want to do this experiment in the kitchen. You don't want to do it in the living room because it could overflow. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up my baking soda. Then I'm going to take my balloon and put it on the end of my funnel like this. Next, I'm going to take the baking soda and put some of it into my balloon. So I want a good amount in there. I don't want to fill the balloon completely, but just a little bit, just a little ways. So the more baking soda you have in there, the better this experiment will go. So now I have a good pinch in there, not too much, not too little, about this much. Next, I'm going to take my balloon off of the funnel and lay it aside. Now, I'm going to take my plastic water bottle and place it in my overflow bin. Then I'm going to take my funnel and place it in my water bottle like this. Now, I'm going to open up my vinegar and pour some vinegar into my bottle. I'm going to fill it just about, not even a quarter of the way full. Just enough so you can tell there's some vinegar in there. Then I'm going to set my vinegar aside. Next, I'm going to remove my funnel and set it aside and pick up my balloon, like so. Now, I'm going to stretch the end of my balloon over my water bottle tip, like this. I'm going to leave the end floppy. I want to make sure it's down all the way, nice and secure over the tip. So go ahead and pull that down. I'm going to leave the end floppy, so it looks like this. Next, I'm going to lift up my floppy end while holding this part secure so that the baking soda goes into the water bottle. And it should blow up your balloon. And there you have your baking soda science experiment. I hope you had as much fun experimenting as I did. Bye, everyone.